Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in today's online class, and that is your third day. So in previous classes, we have already discussed about the remaining topics that were chemical reaction, their characteristics, chemical equation, and their types of chemical equation. It means balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation. So here in today's class, we will discuss about a skeletal chemical equation. This word is enough to understand what is a skeletal. You know what is a skeletal? A skeletal is just a framework of a human being, of any animal or any species, we can say. So here in a skeletal chemical equation, we can easily say that if the number of atoms in reactant site is not equal to the number of atoms present in product site by mass. So this is called a skeletal chemical equation. I repeat, listen. If the number of atoms in reactant site is not equal to the number of atoms in product site, but you have to take it by mass, we can take differences by two. First, either we can take by mass, or the second we can take by atoms, right? Or simply we can say that number of elements. So whenever we will talk about number of atoms or element, in this case it is generally known as unbalanced chemical equation. But whenever we will talk about this accordance of mass, if the number of mass in reactant site is not equal to the number of mass in product site, in this case that is known as a skeletal chemical equation. As example, same, nothing is going to be difference, because here we will just taking the example is on the basis of mass. So H2O, when breaks down electrolysis, here we will write electrolysis, it forms H2 and O2. What you see, it is an unbalanced chemical equation. The mass is also different, the number of atoms is also different. 2H2, single oxygen, 2 oxygen. So here we will write 2, and here we will also include 2. Clear? So now the next topic that we are going to discuss is types of chemical equation. Okay, pause. Okay guys, again, so types of chemical reaction is your topic. Here in this topic we will discuss about how many types of chemical reaction and what are they. So listen, the first type of chemical reaction, the first one is combination reaction. So if we talk about combination reaction, listen to me. Firstly, I will tell you in short form. I will just go through these topics. Then after we will read in detail about all these topics, about all the types of reactions. So firstly, I will take you just in short forms. Combination means to combine. Anything that is separated, if you combine it, that is combination reaction. As example, C plus O2 forms CO2. So here C and oxygen is alike, carbon and oxygen is different. Now you are just combining and forms carbon dioxide. Decomposition. Decompose means to break down. What is breakdown? Anything that is already combined, and if you are breaking it, that is decomposition reaction. As example, CaCO3, when it is heated, it becomes CaO plus CO2. Then that is the example of decomposition reaction. Here the third one is displacement reaction. What do you understand by displacement? To displace anything, or to take the place of any other things that is already there before. So here we can say that when we take the example of Zn plus HCl forms ZnCl and releases H2. So what is happening here? Zn is taking the place of hydrogen, and hydrogen is replacing from that place. So here it is written double displacement. It can be said as we can simply say that exchanges of ionic compounds, or exchanges of ion between two different elements. As example, here we can write that BaCl2 plus Na2SO4. What it is forming? It forms BaSO4 plus NaCl. What do you observe? Ba is going with SO4 and